Alright, we got from CarQuest new filter for the 302. So, in case nobody knows how to install one of these, I'll show you how to do it. First, take the wing nut off. Don't lose that. Take the pan off. Set that aside. And that is the filter. Look how bad that is. It's horrible. Now, when you get your filter, make sure it's the right height. And then make sure it's the right overall diameter too. Now, you can go smaller if you want, but it's best to use the same one because it'll fit, unless you want to use a different air cleaner itself. Then go ahead, you can get a smaller one. But if you're using the same air cleaner, it has to fit in this spot right here. So discard that. Look at that. Perfect. Put that on there like so. Put your lid back on. Now, give you a little tip to get a little horsepower. Just a little more. You flip her upside down, see? You get her lined up. And you flip her upside down. That gap there? It will actually act like the Venturi effect, and it'll force the air into it. It's what you see dragsters, or you see dirt track guys do that. But for us, we're just gonna do the way it was factory. Nothing really special. Screw it back on. Make sure it's tight. There we go. And that's it. You take the old one, discard it, and that's all. So let's fire up. Hold on. Well, guys, looks like we got a new project here. That terminal left this earth. So, let's see if we can get another one on here. That'll be another project for another day. Alright, later.